Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Sheets desktop shortcut on your PC. This is incredibly useful if you frequently work with a specific spreadsheet and want instant access to it without having to navigate through your browser every time. Let's jump right in and get this set up for you. First, open your web browser and head over to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, sign in using your Google account credentials. Make sure you're using the account that contains the spreadsheet you want to create a shortcut for, as this will ensure you have the proper access and permissions. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard where you can see all your Google apps and files. Look through your recent files or use the search function to locate the specific spreadsheet you want to create a desktop shortcut for. Once you've found it, click on it to open the spreadsheet. This step is important because you need to have the file open in order to access the shortcut creation options. Now that your spreadsheet is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice your Google profile icon there, and just to the left of it, you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the More Options menu that contains additional features for managing your file. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for an option that says Cast, Save, and Share. Click on this option to expand even more sharing and saving features. This section gives you control over how you access and distribute your spreadsheet across different platforms and devices. Within the Cast, Save, and Share menu, you'll find an option labeled Create a Shortcut. Click on this option to begin the process of generating a desktop shortcut for your spreadsheet. A dialog box will appear on your screen, giving you the opportunity to customize your shortcut before finalizing it. In this dialog box, you'll see a text field where you can rename your shortcut. It's a good idea to give it a clear descriptive name that will help you identify it quickly on your desktop. Once you've entered the name you want, click the Create button to finalize the shortcut creation. The system will process your request and generate the shortcut file. And that's it. If you now look at your desktop, you'll see the newly created shortcut icon for your Google Sheets sitting right there, ready for instant access. You can now double-click this icon anytime to open your spreadsheet directly without having to navigate through multiple pages. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.